Okay, hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a nice looking fire material from scratch. So your fire material has to look like that when it's ready. This tutorial won't be for this fire, but it will be only for the material. And later I will upload a video where I will teach you how to create this ground fire. But first, the material is more important. Okay, now let's start. So let's open the content drawer. Here, right button, material, and let's name it fire material, for example. And let's open it. Okay, that's our fire material here. And now what we have to do, we have to click on this fire material node first. Here surface, here we have to make it translucent, and here to be on it. Okay, for now we are ready. So let's start with the first stuff which we have to add. There is one site which is important to use it because it's for free flipbooks and you can practice with them. It's really cool stuff in here. I will show you. I will give a link in the description from where you can find it. So free VFX image sequence and flipbooks. And here you can see there are a lot of flipbooks and textures for explosions, smoke, fire, and everything. So for example, let's use this one, Fireball 0.4. You have to click on a flipbook, and when you are ready, you have to drag and drop it inside here, inside the content drawer. So I already unzip it, and now I will drag and drop inside the files. So you can see here it's our flipbook for the fire, which we will use. And now let's build the material. I already uploaded one more texture, which is a simple smoke texture, which I will give you in the project files, so you will be able to use it. And here the content drawer. Now let's start building it. So first I will drag and drop the two textures inside, and when they're inside, I will start building from them. So first, let's click the right button here. Let's write lerp interpolation, and now I will connect this one. So first, I will connect this texture with here with the alpha, and here I will make a clamp. Okay, now I will connect this lerp to the clamp here, and I will make a bit space in our viewport here. So I will press A on my keyboard to add this add node here, and we will connect the clamp with the add. Okay, and now the add have to be connected with one multiply here. Okay, so I will take this one, we'll connect it to the A, not to the B, and this one will be connected to the emissive cover. Okay, so now we have to add one particle cover here. So particle cover, we have to have the opportunity to control the cover inside Niagara, so this node is important. And I will take this RGB and will connect with the B1, and also here I have to add one more multiply and to connect this A to the B here, but for now it's fine. And okay, let's see. Let's connect this multiply here to the fire material. So we have to add a couple of stuff more. So here for the multiply, let's add one more clamp here. And to connect this multiply with the clamp, now let's add one depth fade for better results into the viewport. And let's write here depth fade. And I will connect this to the opacity and the depth fade to the opacity. Okay, so now let's save it for now. Okay, and okay, our texture it's here. Let's start with the second texture. So first let's add a power. Okay, one power here, and I will connect here the air with the base, and here this multiply, we need one more clamp here. So right button again, red slide clamp, and to connect this power to the clamp here, and after that to the multiply. Okay, now you can see we already have a projection of our texture. We have our fire, which is mixed with this smoke texture, which I created with a brush. So for better results, okay, but we're not ready. We have to add more stuff here behind the two textures. So let's add here one more time to connect it with the power here. Okay, let's write dynamic parameter, and this dynamic parameter I will connect this one to A on the add, and one more add here to combine texture coordinate with the dynamic parameter, and this one will be here, parameter will be here, and this add will be here. And let's save them. Okay, so here the lerp, we can add something, maybe, no, let's keep it like that. Okay, and let's see, I think we are ready with this material. That was everything, guys. So just use this site. That's it here. And the flipbooks are amazing there, and they will be perfect for your personal projects and to practice how to make the Niagara stuff. So now with this material, into the next videos which I will upload, we will use it to create our fire materials for the effects. So the next effect will be the fire on the ground, for example. This effect happens when, for example, we are throwing a Molotov cocktail or grenade or something like that. So it's a useful one. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and subscribe the channel because it's important for me. Also, you won't miss the new stuff which I'm uploading. So see you in the next video.